Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change your full name in the Waze app on your phone. Whether you want to update your profile or correct a mistake, this simple step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the three horizontal lines and tap on them. Next, from the menu options, scroll down and select Settings. After entering the Settings menu, tap on Account and Login. This section allows you to manage your personal information. Then, you will see the Full Name option. Tap on it to open the field where you can enter your new full name. Carefully type in the name you want to use in the Waze app. Finally, after entering your new name, look at the top right and tap on Save. This will update your profile with the new full name you just entered. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.